Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap on the three dots in the top corner and open Settings. Then tap Chats, and then tap Chat Backup. Look at the date and time of the last backup. Make sure this backup was created before the messages were deleted. If the backup is newer, the deleted messages will not be included. Now close WhatsApp and uninstall the app from your phone. On Android, press and hold the WhatsApp icon and tap Uninstall. On iPhone, press and hold the app icon and remove the app. Wait a few seconds to make sure the app is fully removed. Next, open the App Store or Google Play Store and download WhatsApp again. Open WhatsApp, enter your phone number, and WhatsApp will search for available backups on your device or cloud storage. When you see the Restore option on the screen, tap Restore. The app will now start recovering your messages from the backup. Wait until the restore process is finished. After setup is done, open your chats. You should now see the deleted messages that were included in the backup. Thanks for watching.